Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add payment methods in Shopify Store. It's a very easy tutorial, but at the start, once you start using Shopify for as a beginner, it might seem very difficult. But how you can do that? Let's get started. First of all, at the bottom left corner on your home screen, you will see that settings. Click on that, and after that, find payments, which is the fifth option from the above, as you can see over here. Once you click on that, we have so many options over here like payment provider, supported payment methods, payment capture method, manual payment methods, and payment method customization. There are a lot of stuff over here. But if you want to go for the specific provider or specific method, what you're going to do is just click on choose a provider. Once you click on that, you will end up over here. These are the third party payment providers. You can see there I like Shopify prefer us to use Stripe right away. We can go ahead and search for also Laylure for to get PayPal, and there are a lot of stuff over here. These are the payment methods like Visa, Mastercard, American Express, and these are like Pioneer or Stripe or Skrill. These are the providers. And if you want to go back and search from over here, like if you go ahead and click on activate PayPal, these are the supported payment methods which Shopify recommended us, as you can see. But if you want to add payment method, click on this option. You can see we can search by payment method also. So if I only click on this, you will see what I'm talking about right now. So it is going to be load up, and as you can see, we can go and search by Visa. Like I only want Visa providers, or you can say I only want Visa and MasterCard providers. So you can choose multiple out here. If I click on this and or this, you can also add them over here. So if I go back, as you can see, we have added them, and we can go and even search for, Apple Pay also, or, Google Pay also. So there's a lot of stuff which you can choose here from. And obviously, you can also search by provider also. So if you want to search Skrill, let's just say, so you can see we have Skrill over here. So if I click on this, transaction fee also available over there, and every provider will show you how many transaction fee will cost. So right now here you can see it will not cost anything. It's going to be 0%. So once you click on this, you can see it will ask you to install and connect with your Skrill account. And after that, you can easily get payments through your payment methods. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to add payment methods in Shopify. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.